Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making perfect Guinness chocolate brownies. When I say perfect, they're going to be so good. I know you guys are really going to enjoy them. And all the ingredients I'm going to be using today are going to be down below in the description along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees and start on these amazing, perfect brownies. So in a mixing bowl, we're gonna add 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna give those a quick little mix. So with our dry ingredients done, let's go ahead and move that to the side. Grab another mixing bowl for our wet ingredients and start adding in 1 cup of brown sugar and 2 eggs, plus 2 egg yolks. Then we're going to go ahead and just mix these all together until they're nice and combined. So with our wet ingredients done, let's go ahead and scoot that bowl to the side. Not all the way, we'll be right back to it, and melt down some yummy chocolate. I just melt mine down in a glass measuring cup, about 10 ounces of chocolate, a little bit of heavy cream, give it a mix every 30 seconds until it's nice and, well, chocolatey. Once that's done, go ahead and grab those wet ingredients back, and with your hand mixer on a low speed, you want to slowly add in your melted chocolate. And just keep mixing until everything is just combined. And once combined, we can finish off by adding in our flour mixture. And 1 cup of Guinness. Again, just mixing everything until it's just combined. Now with our batter done, let's go ahead and pour this into our prepared brownie pan, lined with some parchment paper so we don't have any sticky bottoms. And then we'll just bake our brownies for a quick 35 minutes. So our brownies have baked and cooled. Now let's go ahead and top with some yummy melted chocolate. And then just give that a nice little spread. And then cut into yummy bite-sized squares. And finally, top with some simple chocolate chips. And there are our delicious Guinness brownies. Perfect and so easy to make. Cannot wait to really just dive into these. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you make and try these wonderful, delicious Guinness brownies, Guinness brownies, definitely let me know in the comments below. Or give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or any of the places. Until next week, bye.